It's resin in there. That glossy is not water, it's liquidy resin. It's just dry enough that I can touch the surface without it sticking to my finger. But if I raked about with it, I'd get it well and truly stuck to my finger. Sometimes when you can't find fatwood, you can find resin. That's quite a substantial piece of resin there. I'm going to leave it where it is. There's another bit there. Tiny bits there. But if you keep your eyes peeled, you'll see up there, sticking out on the right hand side of the tree, is a piece of fairly new resin. It just looks like a piece of honeycomb sticking out. And to the left of it, in the middle of the trunk there, is some older yellow resin. And that's just above my arm's reach. I can't reach it, but I could with a stick. Could reach it with a stick. Could even put my knife on the end of a stick. But there's more around here. There's a big piece there, look. There's more here. So I'm not going to collect it now. I know where it is. I know where it has been for a fair while, these blobs of resin. They are, of course, protecting the wounds of the tree. So we'll leave them where they are for now. It's not actually raining, but all this fog is condensing on the trees and then dripping off the trees. So it might as well be raining. Go on. We found resin and we found what could have been fatwood if I'd have chopped into it, but I didn't take anything from the wood. Today what I'm relying on is my chopped up pallet material, and I found some resinous pallet material. So I'm hoping that this will do as my fatwood for my Fire It Up Friday, which I haven't done for a long time. So it's Christmas Eve today and I've been to work, so despite the weather, so far it's been quite an enjoyable day because I actually like my job, and I really didn't have to work too hard today, although I was out on delivery. So let's see if we can get some usable material from this pallet wood. So I'm just using my Manticore knives, bushcraft knife here, to scrape off some fine shavings, as fine as I can get. Okay, it's starting to rain now, so that's going to make things a little difficult, so it's hard trying to work inside of that. We'll just cover that up a little bit and we'll try and get a few bits going on this board first. Any bits that end up on the floor are wasted because they're just going to get too wet. So I'm going to try and go with that. Just trying to protect it a little bit. Okay, so we've got it alight. Put some bigger bits of fatwood in. Look at that. It's caught on fire. Fatwood caught on fire. So this is pallet fatwood, and we can now get a brew on. Alright, obviously it would be better, you might just see the rain now, but obviously it would be better if this was protected with a heat shield. Right, so that's not boiling, but it's gonna do. Get little bubbles on the inside. And that's the fat wood in there, and the normal wood, the poplar. That spitting is the oils coming out of the fat wood, the chunks of fat wood I've put in. Right, so I'll wish you all a Merry Christmas. So, fatwood from Pallets. Stick one of them in your pocket. Right, I'm going to get in now. We've got parts of the Christmas dinner to think about. Brussels sprouts to peel. I think the meat's already in.